Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solution. In today's video, we'll discuss about a security tool known as SquareX. It's a browser extension and is free to use. Unlike existing products that block access to files and websites, SquareX allows you to open even suspicious or malicious resources fearlessly. Now, let's see how SquareX helps us to make ourselves and our devices secure. SquareX helps us to secure from malicious website, malicious file, malicious content, and malicious network. So, the first one is malicious website. SquareX is designed to identify and block potential online threats in real time within the browser. This environment acts as a containment area, preventing any potential malicious content from affecting the user's device. Second is malicious file. Whenever a user receives an email attachment or download a file from a website, SquareX conduct a thorough examination right within the browser. SquareX offers robust protection against document-based threats such as malicious macros and embedded active content. Then we have malicious content. Whether dealing with deceptive ads, phishing emails, or business email compromise, this in-browser technology enables SquareX to thoroughly analyze threat and safeguard user against various forms of fraud and scam content. Whether dealing with deceptive ads, phishing email, or business email compromise, this in-browser technology enables SecureX to thoroughly analyze threat and safeguard users against various forms of frauds and scam. Fourth is malicious network. SquareX detects and informs users about potential network threat in real time. SquareX safeguards users' online presence from malicious network by shielding them from threats like compromised DNS, malicious proxies, and risk from public Wi-Fi and networks. Now let's see how to use SquareX. We can use web app within the browser and also extension. For extension, you need to add the extension on your browser. And for web app, you need to log in with the Google account. As I'm already logged in here, it's showing all the tools. And for the extension, you need to click on the extension. And here I already logged in. So here also it's showing tools. Logged in, SquareX provides us various tools. Let's check out the tools. First, we have responsible browser, which help us to prevent tracking and separate our online activities from any personal information. With data collection becoming more extensive on social media platforms, a disposable browser acts as a shield, stopping social media companies collecting our data. You can choose a different region and start the browser. So here you can see the browser is active. So the location is it is showing is Germany as I selected Germany. I can start a new page and here I can search anything. Then we have disposable file viewer, a secure way to view files and email attachment. It creates a secure sandbox where files can be opened and viewed without directly interacting with the user's local machine. Here I opened the disposable file viewer and here you can drop any file you want to scan. We have is disposable email, where we create a disposable email address which is used to create a temporary account to avoid giving out a primary email address. Here I get this email address and I can open the inbox. As I have no email, it's showing blank. You can explore more about this tool and try to use it for safe browsing. So that's it for today's video. Try using this wonderful tool to make your cyber world safe and secure. Thank you. Stay safe and stay secure.